Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter in most cars. People tend to forget to change out their cabin air filter. Maybe it's because it's hidden away inside somewhere behind the glove compartment, so they forget to change out their cabin air filter. And this is very essential to replace, especially if you're asthmatic or you have bad allergies. The air filter is it purifies the air that comes in when you put on the heat or your AC system or even fresh air. It filters the air that comes in, so if the air filter is bad, is clogged up, that's why you see sometimes when you put on your AC or heat, a lot of dust comes out from the vents, because your air filters, your cabin air filter is bad. So I'm going to show you how to replace. This happens to be a 2005 Honda Odyssey, and most cars is behind the glove compartment somewhere, so you gotta remove this glove compartment. So let's get started. You gotta empty out all your stuff from your glove compartment, and there's the arms holding the glove compartment, and this one here, there's like this cover. You just push down on this cover, put this aside, you remove this arm, put it aside. That's what's holding up. As you can see, I took it off and it's falling apart, falling down, because that's what's holding it. And there's two things that needs to be removed. You can see there two covers, one here and one on this other side here. You just take a flathead screwdriver and just gently move it back like this. You push up on the glove compartment to get this out. This is what it rolls on to close it. You pry it right here, because there's two tabs here, and you remove the other one, also the same thing. Okay, as you can see, I removed this other one, and the whole glove box came down, as you can see here. And if you look inside here, this is your blower that blows the air, and it comes up in your vent. So this is your blower motor in here, and you can see on top here, this slot here, that's behind that is your cabin air filter. And Usually there's a tab here. There's a tab right here. You just press this. You both sides. And this is your cabin air filter here. It's in like a tray. As you can see, there's some dust on it. Not too much. Like leaf dust. And you want to take it out, as you can see. This one is not too dirty. You can use some compressed air and blow it out. They're cheap, so you can just buy a new one. They cost like probably $10. And as you can see, also there's an arrow with the airflow, how to put it back. And this one, there's an arrow that goes that's pointing down. So you need to put, if you get a new one, you just put the arrow, the one with the arrow facing down. And it goes right in there. As you can see, there's the blower motor is in here. So you just wanna get your new one and put it back inside this tray. Okay, so get your new one and just put it back in. Same way. Airflow down. Put it back in the tray, make sure it fits. Make sure it fits in the tray. And you just put your tray back in. Push it back in and make sure it snaps in. And that's it. And then you lift up this glove box and make sure you get your arm out. Don't forget this arm in. It has to go in this notch here. As you can see, I put this arm back to hold it up so it won't fall. And get your these covers with the rollers on it. Just put them back in, make sure it snaps in. This one goes this side. They're both the same, so it doesn't really matter. And when you put this back in, you have to push in the glove box so it can pass this dashboard part over here. Push it in like this. just like that. You want to do both sides. And you put this arm, I already put the arm back, and put the cover back on, and that's it. Some air filters are easier to change. You don't have to take all these out. It's just you take this arm out and the whole glove box gonna come down to the floor, and you just change it from there. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, leave a comment, and feel free to subscribe to see more videos.